Today, guys, I will gonna go to this nice abbey. Think I'm kids. Look at me, I'm Adidas. And this is why do I have no shoes? I realize. Okay, what am I gonna talk about? Look at that. This is the nice. This dog go look like forever abbey. There's nobody knows this game. I only one know this game. Oh, this is normal stuff. I don't know. Okay. To climb now. I go jump here. Okay, this is a nice ball I ever seen. I'm happy pag I walk here. Oh no, I literally fall. Okay, guys, to do that again. Go climb. Yes, sir, and go jump here. And go here. Jump. Okay, guys, I'm good at Abby. Don't like. I first time play this game. I don't know what is this game. Yeah, this doesn't look like from other game versus Case versus All Time. I become Kaylus. I like Kate. She's my favorite feature. Yeah, and look, I'm walking this street now. Okay, guys. I can jump as well. I don't know why is okay, stop there. Other bushes that Adidas. Pag I walk wise, they walk normal at Adidas. Okay, that's so good. Can just never do this animation Adidas or plus normal animation. This is my face or look like. Why am I look like short? Can does not look like short like this? But my chain and there says famous kingdom. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, is that a laser gun lava slap on fly car? But they not did Robux. I cannot get Robux because I have no Robux. Teleport to top. That didn't maybe get Robux. I told you. I have only 0. How could I get that? Because I need to go climb and go jump here and go walk, run. Yeah, this is how I run or look like. And go here. Yeah, almost fall. I'm good at Appy, I told you guys. I'm good at Appy. Yes, I told you I'm good at Appy. I need to go climb here nicely, go jump here, and I thought it's only this spot. Oh no, need to go. How did I do that accident? I almost go back to the start. Look at the start. Wait a minute. Go jump here. Oh, ow! I got hit by a laser. Ow! I keep dying for the laser. Okay, I'm not good at look. I just keep hitting the laser. Yeah. This is good. Oh no! Go jump here. This is nice. It's very nice to go jump. Oh no! I back in here again. I just took this for a long time. No, why did I do that? It's such an accident. I think because that is so hard. But I need to be like, no, not again. I back this that where I went before. No, I'm not back on purpose. I'm back to the bottom thing. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this again. It's not good, guys. This is so jump all of them. Oh no, I died. What is the sound I hear? That's from my house, maybe. The warehouse door I hear. House. Oh no, that's my grandma here. Because it's the obby so hard. It's not hard anymore. Yes. The obby. It's not the very top one. It's not for able to go top. It's just like not again. How did I died. I just took for one. Are you serious? I need to play another game now than this game. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna play the game very loud. Although someone's calling. But I don't. Oh, gonna not upset them.
Also, we're gonna go to this slap tower.
Guys, my old video.
This is
What the? Why there's the sound? Put this output of this sound. Thank you. I need to play some game. So, like, don't do that. I think I need to play this game called this game. Sprunky 3D rope. Like, I need to become kills maybe. What happened? Oh, we're gonna turn up the sound speaking loud. Why are you picking me up, sir? Oh, we're gonna reset. Yeah. What have you done, sir? Okay, guys. So, I hear the rat dance. Okay, guys, I hear the rat dance music. Okay, I need to become runaway. That's okay. So loud, guys. I'm so sorry, so loud. Need to become careless. Pag I become careless, I not. Fine, I need to become this. Don't do this. Change backwards. How about this? Okay, guys. Wait a minute. Adidas. This is cool, guys. I'm gonna pick this Adidas. I hear something. Oh, because I jumped. No way. Oh, why am I jumping so high? What happened pag I become aura? Yeah, this is cool, guys. I don't want to unpause my video. Last time I unpaused video screen recorder. How much player did they have? And shoes is only left. Because it's the different part of the shoes. I think this is the horror shoes I look like. Okay, I need to make kills. So I'm tall now. This is cool. I'm so sorry I'm not making those now. Only this is only left. I want to not John Sprunky, but I'm this part. Okay, guys, not dead. Then my jump. Oh, to take up this stuff. Okay, guys, so hard. Oh no, it's so hard to do it. Oh no, it's not letting me become skinny. They don't want to become skinny. Oh nice. This is cool, guys. Very fun. Oh, it's my boy. I like the scissors. It's not letting me become skinny. they want my Jonas Monkey. Oh, he's not letting me become skinny. Why is it so okay guys, he's not letting me. Didn't get money. He's not letting me become skinny. What? Not the wrong guys. Oh, okay, he's not letting me. Oh, no, I don't want to be Jones Black because I'm this fat. I want to be skinny, fat. So sorry, it's not letting me skinny, guys. Okay, guys, it's not letting me. It's not letting me become skinny. Why it's not letting me? They don't want me to be Joe Sprunky. Are you serious? I don't want to Joe Sprunky, but I'm this look like this. Can this not look like this? Yeah, she's literally getting skin there. I'm very angry because I'm still part of. I want to look like this. Okay. Guys, they're letting me. It's not letting me become skinny. They don't want me to do it. Okay, guys, so I don't want everyone to see me in here. Also need to come kill what's not to be killed this box again. This is only left now, my own body. School now. No, wait, my jump's normal now. It's just fine. I'm a aura kilos. They don't pick me up. Hey, stop doing that, sir. Is this a Goku? Everyone's always copying my outfit. Yeah, I'm a real kid. I wanna run away. I'm a real tree aura. What are you talking about, sir? I don't understand. Okay, I need to go jump. I'm so sorry I'm recording taking for long. What is that sound? I don't know what is that. How did they won't get to the room? What is that sound? It's so scary. This one looks scary. I don't know why there's that big my first time hear that. Look at how fast am I? Oh no, there's someone calling again. Are you serious? I'm not gonna accept it. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna accept it. Hey, don't pick me up. You're not allowed to pick me up. To run away. How short am I? Okay. Look at me. Now you're picking me up because you know who I'm acting like I'm chaos. Stop it. Stop doing it. Sarah, how about I pick you up? This is the guy who picked me up. I'm too slow. I lost all my items. Go away. I know you have a run now. And this is a nice server. Don't I beat my friend. Stop following me. Run. Okay. I lost my gun now. Why did I look at how don't buy it. It's quite fun. What are you doing? Hey sir! Ignore me! Are you serious? Why did everyone not ignore me? We can throw you down over there. How I climb. Look how kids climb. Wow. Wow! I have a bug, guys. Look at that in my back.
Messi. Defense Messi. Ankara Messi.
Ora. I'm Ora, guys. Look for you.
Defense Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi.
Stop.
Ankara Messi.